Hello everyone. In our last video, we have discussed our first chapter that is endangered animals. Today we are going to revise it. Endangered animals are the animals which are in danger and cannot be seen in our future. An endangered animal is in danger of becoming extinct. Not many of it will be left on the earth. If necessary steps are not taken immediately to protect these animals, they will soon be wiped out from the face of our planet. We will never be able to see these animals again. The pictures of some highly endangered animals are shown here. Identify them and write their names in the blanks. Discuss with your parents, elders, what can be done to protect them. Students, first picture is of yak. Yak is an animal of cow family with long horns and long hair that live in Central Asia. Chalo. Next picture is of elephant. Elephant is largest wild animal. It likes to eat sugarcane and leaves of plants. Next picture is of giant panda. A giant panda is a black and white bear that comes from China. Next picture is of tiger. Tiger is a large wild animal that has yellow fur with black lines. Tiger lives in parts of Asia. Next picture is of cheetah. Cheetah is a large cat with black spots. It can run very fast. Next picture is of one horned rhino. Rhinos are herbivorous and they have thick skin. Some rhinos have two horns and while others have one horn. Next picture is of wild dog. These dogs are not domestic dogs, they are found in forest. Last picture is of blue whale. Blue whale is a very large animal that lives in sea and looks like a very large fish. Students, our next chapter is why the animals are in danger. Why are there so many animals in the list of endangered species? Sadly, we cannot blame anyone else for this grim situation but ourselves. We humans have caused immense damage to life on the earth through our various activities. Students, endangered species means the species which are in danger. Grim situation means bad situation. Immense damage means huge damage. Read the sentences below and put tick on the one that you think a reason why the animals are becoming endangered. First is some animals like whales and dolphins are in danger due to excessive hunting by humans for their valuable meat and fat. So students put tick in the box given. This is true because humans are hunting these animals for getting meat and fat from them. Next is blue whales commit suicides and are therefore in danger of becoming extinct. Put cross in the given box. It is false because blue whales are not committing suicide themselves, but they are in danger because of various human activities. Next is crocodiles are being hunted on a large scale for their meat and valuable skin from which costly leather items are made. So put down tick in the box given. The statement is true because crocodiles are being hunted for getting meat and leather from them. Next is tigers are being poached for their skin. Poached means killed. Their bones, claws, and other body parts are in high demand as they are used in traditional Chinese medicines. Put down tick in the given box. The statement is true because tigers are being killed for making traditional Chinese medicines. Next is a large number of sea animals suffocate to death. Suffocate means that they cannot take breath when crude oil spills out into the sea from a damaged oil tanker. Crude oil is a raw form of oil. So put down a tick in the given box. The statement is true because animals cannot take breath in the polluted water of the sea. Next is people catch wild animals and keep them in their homes as pets. This tendency has led to a drastic decrease in the population of animals in the wild. Tendency means behavior, and drastic decrease means huge decrease. Catch means to hold. Put cross in the box given. The statement is false because humans are keeping the animals in their homes as pets. This had led to decrease in the population of wild animals. Next is worldwide pollution is killing animals and wiping out animal species faster than ever before. Wiping means finishing out animals. So put down tick in the box given. This statement is true because animals are getting killed due to pollution at higher rates. Next is humans are destroying jungles, rivers, ponds, and lakes. These helpless animals have no place to live. That is why they are dying fast. Put correct in the given box. The statement is true because humans are destroying the places where these animals live. So these animals are dying fast because they have no place for surviving. Next is animals are not finding it easy to adapt the human induced changes in their environment and are therefore dying. So put down tick in the box given. The statement is true because animals are not able to survive in the situation created by human beings. Next is animals are being killed because we buy things made from their body parts. Put tick in the box given. Nowadays, animals are being killed in high rate to make things from their body parts.